So my name is Michael Chipman, aka Chip. Originally from Los Angeles, California. And I've lived around the world thanks to the military, Uncle Sam, and here I am now, Denver, Colorado. The branch that I served in, United States Army. I joined in 1990 and I completed 10 years. Initially I was a Hawk missile crew member and we were tasked with, it was air defense artillery, shooting down the enemy aircraft. Once the Gulf War was ended, we switched over to the band. They looked at my college transcript, they said, hey, you have a lot of music courses, why don't you just join the band? We'll give you a bonus to join the band. And so I'm thinking I go from air defense artillery to actual music. I was like, well, sure, I'll try it. And so I did 6 years, my remaining 6 years in the United States military band. Great job. What brought me to Frontier? I've always wanted to be involved within the airline industry. My career has been logistics, which is not really industry specific. When I got back from Afghanistan, I was there for 5 years, from 2014 to, from 2008 to 2014, and dealing with logistics. And so I was contacted by Frontier Airlines, and really excited because I know this is a company that's based in Denver, which is where I am. I spent my high school years here too, so excited to be a part of a local organization. And I am serving as the AOG manager for Frontier Airlines. AOG is aircraft on ground. So whenever one of the aircraft in the fleet is grounded for a material requirement, mechanical defect, or a part that's required, it's the team's responsibility to go out and find the part. We purchase, we buy, and the object is to get that part to the grounded aircraft and restore back to revenue service as quickly as possible. Some of the skills that I bring over from the military, really all veterans I would say, is you're taught how to make decisions in high stressful situations. Not just to make the decision, but never second guess it. You move on with it, you stick to it, and you follow it through. Most veterans have the ability to quickly adapt to change. And they have a learning curve where they could just go in and just learn a new task pretty quickly. And I think that's a very important asset to take to any type of organization. Being a veteran to me signifies that you're part of a group of people who are truly willing to lay down and pay the ultimate sacrifice, which is their life, lay down their life for their country. Again, having the opportunity to wear that uniform, it changes your life forever. Just simple things in life. When you walk past a flagpole, you have the tendency to want to salute and give honor. When you see other veterans and that have gone before you, you definitely pay your respects, and it's nice to know that you're a part of that group. Wouldn't trade it for the world. The fact that Frontier Airlines would take the time to honor their veterans is really special, because honestly, we don't do it for recognition. We do it out of allegiance to our country. But it is always nice to know that we're appreciated. And it doesn't happen always, but it is nice every once in a while just to get a little attaboy, get a thank you, and just again know that we're appreciated.